Your TV is the centerpiece of your entertainment setup, but the right stand can make all the difference in style, stability, and storage. Whether you're looking for a sleek modern design or extra shelving for your devices, finding the perfect fit can be overwhelming. Hey everyone! Choosing the right TV stand can be tricky with so many options. But don't worry. To make your decision easier, I've done the research, read countless reviews, and put together a list of the best TV stands from top brands. In this video, I'll break down their features, benefits, and pricing to help you find the perfect fit. Stay till the end, and if you want more details, check out the description below. Now, let's dive in.
First up, we have the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand. This stand is designed to hold TVs ranging from 32 to 60 inches, with a weight capacity of up to 88 pounds. It's made with a sturdy metal frame and a tempered glass base, ensuring both stability and durability. One standout feature is its adjustable height settings, so you can customize your viewing experience. The built-in cable management system keeps your wires neat and organized, creating a clean setup. Users love how easy it is to assemble, and the design is generally well received. However, some have pointed out that it can be tricky to align the mounting brackets with the TV's input ports. Also, the cable management system could be a bit roomier to fit multiple cables more easily. Overall, the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand is a solid option for anyone looking for an alternative to wall mounting. Just make sure to check if your TV's mounting pattern and input ports are compatible. Next, we have the JUMMICO TV Stand, designed for those who love farmhouse charm. It's perfect for TVs up to 60 inches, and its rustic sliding barn doors make it a unique addition to any living room. Made from high-quality manufactured wood, this stand offers durability and stability. Storage is no issue here, with 2 cabinets and 2 open shelves, providing ample space for media devices and decorative items. Plus, the adjustable and removable shelves make it even more customizable. While most users love the sturdy build and aesthetic, a few have mentioned that the sliding barn doors can be a bit finicky and require extra care to operate smoothly. If you're looking for a functional yet stylish entertainment center, the JUMMICO TV Stand is definitely worth considering. The DUMOS TV Stand dresser offers the best of both worlds: a media console and a storage solution. It fits TVs up to 45 inches and features mini fabric drawers for storing personal items, media accessories, or even clothing. The open shelf provides extra space for your electronic devices or decorative pieces. With a sturdy metal frame and wooden top, the DUMOS TV Stand dresser is durable and easy to assemble. Many users appreciate the lightweight design, which allows them to move it around easily. However, the fabric drawers might not hold up under heavy items, and the stand might feel too small for larger TVs. Still, for smaller spaces and TVs, it's a practical and stylish option. Next, we have the Furologee TV Stand, designed to hold TVs up to 5 inches. This stand features a durable particle board top and a sturdy metal frame. It also offers 2 tiers of open mesh shelves and 4 hooks for organizing your media equipment, gaming consoles, and more. Plus, there's a dedicated shelf for your soundbar to improve audio quality. While most users love how sturdy and easy to assemble the Furologee TV Stand is, some have pointed out that the bottom shelves are on the smaller side, which might be a challenge for larger gaming consoles. Overall, if you're looking for a functional and sleek entertainment stand, this is a great choice. Finally, we have the TAVR Universal Tabletop TV Stand, which accommodates TVs ranging from 27 to 60 inches. With its universal compatibility and VESA support up to 500 mm, it's designed to fit a wide range of TV brands and models. The sturdy metal frame ensures stability, while the adjustable height feature lets you set the stand at the perfect viewing height. Assembly is easy, and many users appreciate that it comes with all the tools and instructions. However, some people have experienced issues with aligning the mounting brackets with the TV's input ports. Additionally, the stand may feel too large for smaller TVs, but for larger screens, it's a great solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. For product links, pricing, and more details, check out the description. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.